about yet, something near and dear to my heart, the Azure Resource Manager. You were talking specifically around Project Bicep. Can you give us a little bit of a background on what Project Bicep is and how it hits and works for the IT pro audience, the technical audience that's out there?
Yeah, well, so one of the things we saw with Azure Resource Manager and the JSON schema for both calling the APIs as well as defining templates is that it's incredibly verbose. It's got a lot of redundant kind of gestures in it. So, that leads to an air of complexity. And so many enterprise customers, as they were building out templates, which are a fantastic, powerful capability of Azure Resource Manager, they quickly get lost in the complexity of very long templates and all of the verbosity of it. And so to help improve the experience around Azure Resource Manager templates, we added things like Visual Studio Code and extensions that include things like IntelliSense.
Right.
But that only got us so far. And so we decided to rethink the whole thing. Maybe there's another approach to this. Looked at using maybe, hey, how about if we just had a programming language approach to Azure Resource Manager? We wanted to maintain the declarative aspect of it. And so we decided we wanted to create a brand new language, a DSL, domain-specific language for it, enlisted Anders Heilsberg to serve as a consultant for it, and came up with that, the Bicep language. So the Bicep language lets you write ARM APIs calls as well as ARM templates in a very succinct, very natural programmatic way, while yet preserving the declarative nature and providing 100% fidelity with Azure JSON schema. So basically you can take a Bicep file and transpile it down to ARM JSON, or you can go the reverse way, take an ARM JSON template, transpile it back to Bicep. And now with this 1.3 release we've got this week, it's ready for production, and you can now hand Bicep files directly to the Azure CLI to deploy in Azure. And we've had tremendous customer excitement about this. I think it's one of the hottest things in the compute space in terms of the reaction that we're seeing from so many people really saying this is going to change the way that they approach Azure Resource Manager and templates.
Yes, absolutely, definitely. I love the fact that you call that one out here and there's our quick little chat. The concept of being able to go through and create and make new JSON templates, but then also decompile and make them turn into the Bicep language to be able to go off and to analyze and work with them too. Fantastic stuff there. Again, there is lots more stuff inside of here. We've only just